Article 3, Section 26 of the Maryland State Constitution reads, "The House of Delegates shall have the sole power of impeachment in all cases." On February 24th of this year, Maryland Attorney General declared under an official opinion that Maryland shall recognize out-of-state same-sex marriages. Upon the authoring of that opinion, he violated the authority of the Maryland General Assembly and overturned a prior opinion of 2004 at the request of Chairman Valerio of the House Judiciary Committee, whereby the Attorney General at that time said that out-of-state marriages would not be recognized in this state because our law was so clear. Immediately following the release of that opinion, I publicly stated that I would bring charges of impeachment against the Attorney General for his actions in usurping the authority of the Maryland General Assembly and overturning a prior opinion without the authority of law to do so. On March the 1st, Maryland Attorney General, after I made my public announcement, declared himself unimpeachable. He's declared himself above the law and unaccountable to the members of the Maryland General Assembly, and has now declared himself untouchable as a result of his actions. Then on March 3rd, the Speaker of the House, Michael Bush, declared that he would, in fact, rule me out of order if I attempt to bring those charges. Again, ladies and gentlemen, I want to remind you that the Constitution provides for the authority of impeachment to the members of the Maryland House of Delegates. As a result of these actions, under the Constitution, under this article, Article 3, Section 26, I will in fact bring the charges of impeachment against Maryland's Attorney General, Douglas Gansler, on March 31st at approximately 10:05 a.m. in the morning. I would urge the citizens of this state to stand on your rights to have a redress of grievance brought before this assembly under the Articles of Impeachment, and I assure you that I will take those actions regardless of what the Speaker does on the House floor. It is our right under the state Constitution to bring a charge of impeachment against any elected official. He has now declared himself untouchable. But yet, ladies and gentlemen, the President of these United States is in fact impeachable by the same process. That's exactly what I intend to do. I hope that you will continue to watch as this unfolds.
Delegate, what do you say to those who disagree with your actions?
You can disagree all you want. There it is in black and white. The authority of impeachment lies before the Maryland House of Delegates in all cases, not some cases, all cases. You know, we're led to believe today that we, the common people, don't have the intelligence to read the Constitution and understand its clear intent. Well, you can't get much clearer than what it states. You just can't.
How do you plan to do that if you're not going to get any cooperation?
Well, that's a great question. The reality is that any member is afforded the ability to bring these charges before the House. I may not be supported, which means he may not be removed, but I can assure you he will be charged with impeachment unless the Speaker rules me out of order and has me removed from the Assembly. I hope that it doesn't come to that, but I understand that he's instructed the Sergeant of Arms that it may in fact come to my removal. But I will do my duty on behalf of the citizens of the state of Maryland to see that the Maryland Constitution is upheld regardless of the political cost that I might face.
And you mentioned to us before that you have a lot of silent majority on your side. Do you think
That's
they
correct.
would actually be on your side if that were the case?
Well, there is a lot of support from both sides of the aisle in regards to upholding the Constitution that we, the elected members, took an oath to uphold, protect, and defend. But yet, do I really expect that members from the other side of the aisle will stand with me as I bring these charges? I don't know. It's yet to be seen. I'm sure that there will be repercussions if they do that. The Speaker clearly does not want this on the House floor this year because we're going into an election year. But might I remind you, I did not do this. The Attorney General, by his actions, has brought this to where it is today. And as a result, I will follow through with my commitment to the citizens of the state of Maryland. Got it?